Hi, good morning. This is Maureen with Authentic Vibes with Maureen. Today, or this morning rather, I'll be frying some saltfish fritters. First, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. And then you're going to need some scallion. And then some tomatoes. And then the saltfish. I've already boiled it and shredded. I boiled the salt out of it. Saltfish or codfish, salted codfish. And I've already boiled it and I already kind of mince it up in small pieces. I go into my fritters. And then this is some black pepper. Doesn't matter what brand you use. I'm just gonna use like about 1/3 teaspoon. And then what you want to do, you want to mix this together. And my skillet is right here warming the oil, because you have to get the skillet warm. And then you're going to add water to it. I'm going to add some water to it. You want to actually made it into like a batter. You don't want it like a dough, and you don't want it very soft, like runny. You want to make it into a batter, a nice batter. So mix all these ingredients together. Some people tip a little curry in it, but for today, I'm not going to put any curry in it. So I'm mixing this around, and then I'm going to add some water to it real slowly to make the batter. I have like 1 cup of water right here. Then you're going to mix the mixture, and it was 2 cups of flour. You can make more if you want. And these are called saltfish fritters. You can even make it with you can make fritters with plantain, the right plantain. I want to get this out of the spoon. Alright, so I'm going to add more water, because remember I said I wanted to be, this was 1 cup of water. So I do it slowly because I don't want for it to get too soft. I want it in the texture that I want to fry the fritters. So I add the water slowly. So far, that was 2 cups of flour, because I'm not making a lot. And some salt fish that was boiled the salt out of it and shredded. And a tomato, a medium-sized tomato. And a stalk of scallion or green onion, depends on which country you're in. Some country call it green onion. And it's coming together. All right, so turn my fan on a little, because I'm gonna be putting these in the hot oil. And you just mix it, and it seems real good now. It's the texture that I need. turn my fire. If you notice this pot over here, my pressure cooker, in this pot I have some beef neck bone in beef. I'm going to be cooking some beef soup for later, but that will be on a different video. For now, I'm going to be cooking my fritters. And so you want to take it up in the spoon and you want to just add it to the oil. You want to turn the stove down because you don't want it to burn. So these are my saltfish fritters. I'm cooking for my breakfast. See the texture? You want to add the, and you just take it up in the spoon like this and add it to the oil. And you just pick it up in the spoon, and you don't have to have any specific shape. You just put it in and it's kind of shake it a little bit with the spoon. And the excess, you just take the next spoon and take it off. And as I said, you can make any amount you want, and I'm just making a few. I'm frying them in vegetable oil. You can use any oil you want to cook with. It's not, you don't have to use the same oil I use. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, any type of oil you want. Of your choice. And I'm just frying them in salt. Hello everyone, again, welcome to my channel. And this morning I am frying some Jamaican saltfish fritters for my breakfast. So I'm going to take these, and these are done. I put a paper towel in the plate for it to drain. So this is the first one that I put in. So I'm turning it. And you want to like do it like this so it's soaked. And I have been cooking for the shelter, but I didn't post it. But I cooked for the shelter the other day. So I cooked them some baked chicken and some rice, and also I made them a big salad. I've been cooking for the shelter, the homeless shelter in my town from 2017. So I'm frying the fritters on the other side. So I'm turning them as they're finished. So as I was saying, I cooked for the homeless shelter in my town from 2017, but because of the COVID, there was not taking, and other people also too, not me alone. And they start accepting back. Yeah, so you just want to take the fork and do it like this so it's soaked in the oil. It fries throughout, that's what I meant. See the tomatoes in it? You can see the tomatoes in it. Yeah, so this is called saltfish fritters. Yeah. I just want them to soak through. They're looking good. So you just need flour, tomato, scallion, a little black pepper. And as I said, some folks, they put a little curry in it. But I don't want any curry in it this morning. And they're just soaking on the other side, and they pretty soon they'll be finished. Like in 2 minutes, they will be fried thoroughly. So this is saltfish fritters. So as I said, I cook some baked chicken and rice and make a big tossed salad for the homeless shelter, and they really appreciate it. And I'm gonna pick a next Friday, maybe the last Friday in this month, and cook some more lunch for them. You can do dinner or lunch. I didn't stay to help serve it. I let the staff serve it, but you can stay and serve them the lunch, and they're so appreciative of it. So I start back up cooking for the homeless shelter, and I have a passion. I love doing it for them. And they this one is a couple more minutes, like 2 more minutes, as I said, and they will be done. And then later on, meanwhile, those are frying. Those are my ingredients over here for my soup, my beef soup that I'm going to cook later. So you see carrots and pumpkin, sweet potato, scotch bonnet pepper, Grace chicken noodle soup, Irish potato, cocoa, what you call cocoa. This also thicken your soup. Scallion right here, scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme, carrot, pumpkin for my soup that I'm going to cook later, and that will be on a different video. So back to my fritters. Like I said, they're soaking real good. They're cooking real good. They look good. And these are what I'm cooking for my breakfast. And these are really, really good. So these fritters are finished frying. They soak real good. So I'm going to take them out of the skillet and put them on the plate. And outside is very, very nice today. It rained last night, but today is real good. So here they go. Saltfish fritters. And I put the paper towel here to drain the excess oil from the fritters. These ones just need to soak a little more. Or fried a little more. Here you have it. Saltfish fritters. This is a Jamaican breakfast. I'm sure other islands in the Caribbean cook these, but maybe they just call them a different name. I embrace everyone's culture and everyone's food, but then I like other culture, other island food too. Here's a dish that the St. Lucians cook. I loved it. It's called fig salad. They cooked it with saltfish and green banana. It is so good. I loved it. It's a St. Lucian dish. They call it fig salad. I like it. And also, Portuguese also, they cook a saltfish dish with Irish potato and saltfish, and they baked it. It's very good also, Portuguese dish. And when I went to Dubai last fall, I embraced the Middle East dish. The only thing I did not try was the camel burger, but I love their dishes. And so there you have it. Saltfish fritters. There's the tomato and saltfish in it, and these are so delicious. And that's my breakfast this morning, saltfish fritters. And I will be back with a different video to show you my soup that I'm cooking later, my beef soup, beef pumpkin soup. So you enjoy your day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or even night, depending where you are in the world. Thank you for watching Saltfish Fritters, and I'm going to enjoy these, a couple of these. Thank you. See you later in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.